Hey, welcome back to the channel. I just thought I'd do a quick little unboxing of the Thorogood Mocto 814-3600. It is their waterproof Mocto 1952 series boot. It's got the little kick heel on the back. Looks pretty cool. This is a brown color. Might be a little dark in here. They might look black, but they're a really dark brown color. How are these different from the regular Moctos? One, they're waterproof, so they have an inside lining instead of straight leather. They've got the standard Thorogood insole, and there's no pour-on inside, so it's kind of a hard footbed underneath, and that's so they could do that liner inside of there. But it's a little stiff, so that footbed in there is going to take time to break in, and then they'll probably become pretty comfortable. It's got the it's called Extreme waterproof system. It's got the Maxwear wedge sole, standard on that Mocto, no heel, and still trying to figure this out. Maybe just for looks, this little extra stitched leather piece on the back. I don't know if it's to be able to kick your boot off or just for looks. Not sure. This boot is really pretty looking. It's got nice pull up on it. That'll patina nicely. These will break in. As far as their waterproofing goes, I'm not sure. Never had a waterproof boot by Thorogood before. And it's I think they're about 4 pounds or something for both boots. And they're not too bad. They're lighter than a Wellington, but not by much. And what else to say about them? I don't know. Bought them because I live in Oregon, and I'm not too sure how their waterproofing works, but we'll see here soon enough. It's got the rolled collar, but it's not padded. It's not padded like my other Thorogood Moctos are. It's just kind of stitched up to the top here. If the light's a little bright in here for that, I'm not sure. Stitched up, but no padding. Kind of strange. Not the best stitching on this boot. I'm seeing a lot of flaws here, little stitches missing here and there. The welt is a little off. I mean, just that'd be picking, but not as clean a work as I've seen on some of their other boots. I ordered these. I normally wear a 10D in Thorogood, and I ordered these off of the advice of a fella online. I ordered these in a 10.5D, and they fit perfect. I don't know if it's because of that lining inside, but they definitely, a 10 would have been too small. So keep that in mind. That's my feet. Yours could be different. Like I said, it is the Thorogood Mocto waterproof boot. 1952 series, 814-3600. I just wanted to give a first look of the boot. They're a handsome boot, good looking. They'll probably be just as tough as any other Thorogood I have. They are gusseted up to the 5th, just below the 6th speed hook. So they are gusseted right below that there. Yeah, got a nice wide opening on that boot there. No pad in the tongue area, but that tongue area is nice and thick. So because of that extra, I can't call it a Gore-Tex liner or anything. It's just a waterproof. Oh, I'll call it an extreme waterproofing thing in here. But yeah, nice looking boot. Not going to say too much about it. It's just kind of a first look. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you are enjoying the channel. We appreciate that. We're inching our way up to 500 subscribers, and it's not a lot compared to a lot of folks, but it's kind of cool since we're just doing a little channel here. Of course, the USA made tag, and I think these are just made in US with domestic and globally sourced components. Yep. Standard on Thorogoods. There's that boot right there. I don't have a lazy Susan, so I'm just kind of doing it myself. No background music, no sexy background music. Wow, wow, wow. Meow, 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 meow. Wow, 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 wow. And there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Again, like, subscribe. Have a good night.